Hey, are you ready to take control of your life? If you're feeling stuck, distracted, or overwhelmed by endless dopamine hits, it's time to make a change. Welcome to the Monk Mode community, a place designed for people just like you who want to focus, grow, and truly level up. Here, you'll connect with others on the same journey, people who are serious about cutting distractions and achieving their goals. Together, we're building a community of accountability, progress, and success. And the best part? You can create your own private voice channels, invite your friends, study together, or work on projects in a space where you control the vibe. Need to focus? Join one of our study rooms or connect with others to stay motivated. This isn't just another Discord server. It's a space to unlock your potential and become the best version of yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and join us today. Let's build something amazing together. And now, think about it. Can you feel the peace and calm? That's how it feels after a productive day.